Dogs on death row since July have a new shot at life thanks to the intervention of a Detroit attorney. She says that 3 dogs accused of killing a trio of goats have been wrongly convicted, and there's evidence to prove it. 24-Hour News 8's Barton Dieters back from Ionia after talking with the attorney, the dog owner, and the prosecutor. Barton.
Well, Brian, unlike a trial where people are accused of a crime, a show cause hearing to challenge a court order to destroy a dog considered dangerous puts the burden of proof on the dog owners to show why the dog should be spared. So in court last July, the Ionia County prosecutor had no legal obligation to present any evidence. The judge did note that despite severe wounds to the goats' necks, there was no blood on the dogs. Ionia County Prosecutor Kyle Butler would not appear on camera, but said dogs often clean themselves off after eating. The judge's ruling was affirmed by a circuit court judge, but Detroit attorney Celeste Dunn has taken the case pro bono for Susan Vemvakis and her son Alan Houston. He is a U.S. Army veteran who served 2 tours of duty in Iraq, who got the dogs to help with PTSD.
And they've been around chickens and goats and rabbits and calves, and they never bother anything. They're just very loving, good animals.
But the prosecutor says dogs can turn for no apparent reason. The defense says the county's own investigators came to this conclusion.
These goats had been deceased for at least 8 to 10 hours by Ionia County's own consulting veterinarian, and could only have gotten into that pen within about 45 minutes prior to them being found.
Dunn says the county's primary investigator was never called, even though she was at the courthouse at the time of the hearing. Butler questions the validity of a report about the time of death by a veterinarian who may not have any expertise in the field. Yesterday, the judge who heard the case said he believed a new hearing was in order, and it will be held April 17th.
I am very excited and thrilled that we are able to present all of the evidence, which I'm very confident will exonerate these dogs.
It was a really great day. Finally, somebody's listening.
Prosecutor says he gets no joy from this case, but says it's his duty to protect the public from dangerous animals. He says even if the judge finds the dogs did not kill the goats, there's still a case to be made that dogs on the loose should be put down. In studio, Barton Dieters, 24-Hour News 8.